This wasn't, an extraordinary removal or an atypical one by any means. Bees are often looking for new places to build a hive, and these backyard sheds give them a really good environment where they're protected from the elements. One of the most incredible things about seeing the reaction to my videos has been just, everybody's shock and awe at what is really just a normal kind of Tuesday for me. So I often use a special beekeeping clip called a queen clip to pick up the queen. The clip is designed in a way so that the other bees, the worker bees who care for the queen, can still attend to her because they're smaller than she is. The queen bee is arguably the most important bee in the colony. She lays all the eggs for the colony, and the bees will follow her. They want to take care of her. And so when I'm able to find the queen in a removal, it makes my job a little bit easier because the bees want to be with their queen. So a lot of times the entire colony will just follow her in there.